transfer app and enjoy excellent money transfer services only with Supersonics.
Gamsobis in focus with Khalilu Banjang every Saturday from 8 to 10 p.m.
You want to know about the Gambia entertainment industry. You want to know the existing policies and programs of the arts and culture sector. You want to know about the governance and management of the arts associations. The program will throw a fresh light on the entertainment industry in focus. We will touch so many angles about the cultural sector, the opportunities and challenges, and interrogate them, and most importantly, offer solutions.
About to start the handing over ceremony. Before we start, let us all pray in our individual ways. Thank you very much. Today we are gathered here to do a handing over ceremony of the 5 electrical tricycles that have been purchased by UNDP through Environment Resilient Development Project under MEGNA. As per the agenda, I will give a welcoming remark that will be followed by the UN resident rep, and then Mayor will receive also make a remark to thank the UNDP and MEGNA for the support given to Council. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor today to welcome all of you to this very important gathering. Very important in the sense that we are gathered here to receive this electrical tricycle that have been purchased by UNDP, as I said before, through Environment Resilient Development Project under Ministry of Environment, Climate Change and Natural Resources, funded by UNDP. Madam, I would like to acknowledge the fruitful collaboration that exists between the UNDP and the Council over the past 3 years. First, through the UNDP, we are able to have a fund of $3 million to conduct a feasibility study on the closure of the backwater dump site, which was validated, and Madam, you were present, you gave a speech during the validation of that document. And then part of those recommendations that were put forward by the consultant, I want to tell you that we are definitely implementing those recommendations. Under the dynamic leadership of the Lord Mayor, he was able to constitute a waste processing task force that looked at all the recommendations, and then we have been working on that. And today, this ceremony is one of those recommendations, because by the report, it has been clearly mentioned that for us to be able to reduce the waste that is going to the backwater dump site, why not we move into a composting plant, so that at least we divert the organic waste from the market to horticultural garden. So this is one of the recommendations that we are implementing. In last year, again, this project was approved, but because of COVID, we could not fully implement it. And these are some of the activities that are pending are going to be implemented this year. We have already started working with the project unit under the MEGNA. Procurements have been taking place. Very soon we receive other materials. In September, we will receive 25 wash hand stations from UNDP at the National Environment Agency. This was almost more than $500,000 that we received, and then it was geared towards implementation of our COVID emergency response plan, Pillar 2, which talks about to stop the spread of the virus. Again, in December, we received 10 face recognitions with thermometer. That's what you saw in front of office, Lord Mayor's office here, with fumigation materials, with our other sister councils, which is almost more than $2 million. With this support, we were able to, cope COVID-19 in our municipality. And then we want to thank you very much for all the necessary support that you have accorded to us. With these few remarks, I just take this opportunity to thank you once again, and then now call on you to give a brief remarks.
Thank you so much. Honorable Lord Mayor of KMC, Honorable Member of the Council, representative of the different institutions that are here today, member of the media and all workers. It's always a pleasure to come here, because the partnership we are having with the municipalities is key in reaching out to the population. And as you know, UNDP is very people-centered in its actions. And what we went through during the pandemic, which is unfortunately still going on, is really a way to respond to population's needs, but at the same time to go through the institutions that are decentralized and to make sure that the population's needs have great attention. I'm glad that you mentioned that beside the policy action that we are supporting with the municipalities, not only the KMC but also Banjul municipality and you name it, we are having actions that are recommendations that are fully implemented, and this is the reason why we are here today. And I was telling to the mayor that what we are doing also at the park with the different UN agencies, we will have another opportunity to make sure that the park will be soon available to the population. I'm referring to the UN park that has been provided during the UN Day. So just to say that we are very much delighted, and why we are entering in the other phase, and we hope with the vaccination campaigning that are being rolled out by the President, by His Excellency President Adama Barrow on Wednesday, with WHO, UNICEF, and all UN agencies' support. We are also entering in a phase where the pandemic will soon be behind us, and we also know that through the municipalities we will need to continue the mobilization, to continue to provide the populations the messages that they need, not only to encourage them to get vaccinated, but also to continue all the prevention measures that we are recommended to follow while we are facing the pandemic. And I'm sure that everything that we are doing will also contribute to the outcome of the action that the implementation of the action that we are talking about. I would like to thank this very interesting partner, the mayor, with the fruitful partnership that we have with all the municipalities. We have an initiative for which the KMC is also part on smart cities that we are working on, and see how really we can use the innovation approach to reach out to the population through the municipalities and all the decentralized institutions. We are very happy to be here, and I just want to thank you again and to reiterate our engagement to continue to support KMC and other municipalities through and to make sure that the SDGs for which we are entering the last decade can be a reality for the Gambians and especially at the municipal level. Thank you again, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you.
You have spoken very well regarding the implementation of the SDGs. At our level, our strategic plans are very much aligned with the SDGs, and then we are definitely going to be partnering with your institution to be able to attain those development goals. I must first, before calling on the mayor, acknowledge the support of Environment Unit of UNDP under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Kamara. It was really a challenge. We nearly thought that we're going to lose this project, but based on their guidance and support, with the team, we were able to get the support. You know, at a certain point, the Lord Mayor was like, Lamin, all of your tricycles are going to come. When are they coming? But with the guidance of Doctor and the team, Alhamdulillah, we have them here today to be handed over. In next 2-3 months, we're going to receive another 5. It's going to make it 10. And then they'll be doing some organic collection from the waste collection from the market to the composting plant, which will be built with the collaboration of regional agricultural department. We're going to have them at one of our vegetable gardens, and we supply women so that they can have a quality vegetable. On that note, I now call on our dynamic leadership, that's the Lord Mayor of Kanipi Municipal Council, to come and deliver a speech.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to you all. Deputy Mayor of KMC, UNDP Resident Representative, Ms. Aissatou D, CEO of KMC, staff of UNDP, and Dr. Kamara of the Environment Unit of the UNDP, Project Coordinator of ERDP, members of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. We are very happy today to receive these tricycles. As the UN Resident Representative Aissatou just said, we have a very close partnership with UNDP. We have worked on various projects, as Lamin, the Director of Services, also detailed. The Council, as we always say, is the local governance authority, and what that means is we are closest to the people. It is always smart to work with local government because that has direct impact on our communities, and the beneficiaries are, of course, the people at the grassroots. So we thank the UN Resident Representative for working with KM and other councils to ensure we deliver service. As they have rightly said, we have worked on various projects. I think the one that has not been named, and I am very proud of, is the UN at 75 Kotu Park, which is a park we are really looking forward to. I was just discussing with Aissatou, but I think she knew I was already thinking about it. And she said, Mayor, don't worry, we're working on the park. We love these projects because they're sustainable. And these tricycles are also in line with that concept of sustainability because they're electric. They'll be consuming less fuel and be on electric power, which really is part of the UN's goal, the SDGs, to have sustainable cities. So I've been told it's 10, and these are the first 5. And those who know me know I love things that are about the environment and cleanliness of the city. We know KMC's goal is to be one of the cleanest cities in the sub-region, and we really have dedicated service staff who are here, some of them, who really make sure that KMC is always well cleaned and well kept, because a clean environment is a healthy environment, and that's what we like to see in our communities. So Lamin, we hope these tricycles will really add to our cleaning power. Right now, KMC boasts a very powerful cleansing unit. I think now we have over 200 staff. We have about 25 brand new compactor trucks. We have other vehicles, and these tricycles now will add to our tricycles number, which will be almost 20. And this will really boost our cleansing unit. So once again, we thank Aissatou and the UNDP, and we look forward to more projects during our time in office. KMC's goal is really to serve the people. We say KMC is for you, meaning is for the people, by the people, and we look forward to having a good legacy once we leave office, as having brought about the cleanest municipality in the sub-region. Thank you all and have a good day.
Worship, KMC is for you, meaning we are here to serve the residents of this municipality. And then together we can make this municipality a better place for all of us. And therefore we urge the residents of this municipality to support council in terms of delivering the services. Without their support, it will be very difficult. We can provide, we urge all the residents to support us to ensure that this municipality is a better and clean municipality for all. On that note, I would hand over the keys to Madam so that he can...
It's our pleasure. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I can test drive one now. One more check.
It's free, eh? In America, you did it. So it's free, it's not free, eh? KK, come. Director of Services. When Lord Mayor paid a visit to Madison, I remember a video was sent to us. You were in one of the electrical bikes moving in the wire house. Yes. So I was definitely expecting you to be able to ride it. So finally, we have come to the conclusion of the handing over. We thank every individual for the support and for the attendance. Thank you so much. Your worship.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
If you want to receive monies from UK, Europe, USA, Canada, Switzerland, and the rest of the world, Supersonics Money Transfer has got you covered. With the largest payout network in the Gambia, you can now receive your monies anywhere you are, from Kartong to Koina, with less hassle. Yes! You can receive monies from your family and friends in UK, Europe, USA, Canada, Switzerland, and the rest of the world with our safe, secure, fast, and convenient service that offers you the largest selection of payout locations in the Gambia. Supersonics Money Transfer. We are currently in 34 African countries and counting, giving you quality money remittance services that are second to none. Visit the Google Play Store or the Apple Store today to download the Supersonics Money Transfer app and enjoy excellent money transfer services only with Supersonics.
Gamsobis in focus with Khalilu Banjang every Saturday from 8 to 10 p.m.
You want to know about the Gambia entertainment industry. You want to know the existing policies and programs of the arts and culture sector. You want to know about the governance and management of the arts associations. The program will throw a fresh light on the entertainment industry in focus. We will touch so many angles about the cultural sector, the opportunities and challenges, and interrogate them, and most importantly, offer solutions.
Nyameng aka kenu Nyameng ñinum programme te mum dina laale Gambian Talents TV arabo araba ka bo talent nani foka jitala luluka nin ko aka kenu Nyameng ñi ado ni ciosano le fere nin ko ado ni ciosano akita ko mu yanu ka mabo tale nañu jamano molo mu yalon ko fa ya ado ni ciosano la mbake molo mu yalon ko fana ya ado ni ciosano la bari man fin kankuran wala maño bito hani fa kaseboyo nta kadi touré mbina laliji ko kuwol natale mungu ka ado ni ciosano la kuwala ani Gambian Talents TV ado ni ciosano tamabulale koteke albulan noma kona fale Nyameng arabo arabalo ado ni ciosano ani nta touré muso fen tamabula koteke.
The good vibes when me and the roots rock reggae. Real vibes in a Gambian talent it dead. Good vibes, love it when it rocks steady. Make it play every day. Good vibes when me and the roots rock reggae. Real vibes in a Gambian talent, yes it dead. Real vibes, love it when it rocks steady. Make it play every day. You don't know this is Gambia talent. Jaringo representing street. Watch out.